Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Now we're going to deploy our front end. So let me just go ahead and open the front end project, which is right here. And we'll again go ahead and create a new GitHub repo because we'll need a separate repo for front end as well. So we'll just go over here, repo, create a new repo. We'll say AI music front end. We'll create the repo. We'll copy it. We'll go back here and we'll see if we're in the right directory. And we'll git initialize it. Git remote add origin. The URL that we copied. Git add. Git commit. Do we have node modules ignored? Yeah, that's good. Initial commit. Git push origin development. Does not match. Okay, the spelling is wrong here, guys, obviously. Okay, we do have that ready as well. And the key to deploying the front end is pretty simple. It'll just take you a minute. We'll go to vercel.com and just log in with whatever account you have, and we'll just go ahead and add a new project. And also log in with your GitHub repo, and it identifies that this is a React project. So we'll just import it. This should be good. This is the root directory, yeah. And we'll just say, do we have any environment variables? No, we're not using any environment variables on the front end, so we should be good. Deploy. And it's simple as that, guys. Deploying front end is really simple. It's the back end that gives you the issue. So it's gonna install all the dependencies that we were using looking through package.json file. Okay, there we go. Let's go to continue to dashboard. If we go onto our URL, which is this, there we go. Our front end has been hosted. If you go to this specific link anywhere from your computer, we should be good. Now let me tell you one more issue that we'll run into. That is, if we go to the network, our front end does not know this URL here yet. It will always go to the local host. So let's just give it a try and see how it fails. Grimy music, just recommend. And there you go. See, the URL that it's requesting is the localhost API recommender. So that's an issue right here. So it's not going to be able to read through the hosted URL. And I think I'll stop the video here for this particular video just to categorize it well. And in our next video, we'll make sure that our front end is actually making requests on our hosted server, not on the local host. So I'll see you guys on the next one where we'll tie everything up together and we will have a full AI project using Django and React. Thank you for watching.